Was there any snoring in the house?
Well, I didn't hear it.
Do you have the earplugs? You have the earplugs?
Oh, God. Thank you for reminding me of that. Okay, so I have a treat for you.
Oh, great.
A treat for you.
Go on.
So, I've gotten this new sleep cycle thing on my phone because I have a problem with sleep apnea and snoring, and I'm always keeping my wife awake, and it's very difficult. I would wake up a lot in the night from the snoring, and but I never hear myself snoring.
Okay. Yeah.
Well, you didn't record yourself.
So I downloaded this app called Sleep Cycle.
Right.
And what it does is it records your sleep over 5 days, and it records everything that happens to you at night, and then so you can listen back to it.
Oh God!
No!
This is
in
a real
the morning.
treat.
Do you put it on beside the bed?
Yeah. So so if you just mute yourselves there for half a second.
Okay.
What night of the week was this now?
I did it for the last 5 nights.
So we don't know what was last night.
We don't know. Okay, so this is oh God, this is embarrassing now. So last night I snored at 1:46, 2:15, 2:32, 2:44, 2:53, 2:54, 4:12. Jeez, I got an hour's sleep there. 4:55, 4:58, 4:59. That's a lot of fucking snoring. 5:53, 6:08, and 6:09. Now the loudest seems to be around 4:08.
Okay.
So would you like me to?
Can we have a listen?
Well, if you'd like to.
Yes. We
Tommy, I think this is a groundbreaking. This is groundbreaking
I
stuff.
didn't hear it from far away.
This is groundbreaking podcast.
So will you bray?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Okay.
What time in the morning?
Tommy, were you sleeping outside?
Oh, that's
a bird.
No, listen again.
Sounds like
A bird
something
and a
from,
fart.
sounds like something from the Amazon.
Listen again. Listen, this is another one. So it's not actually too bad, is it?
No, but I can hear the jungle.
They were
It
compressed.
sounds like an elephant in the distance.
Okay.
What is that? It's like a hippopotamus going down to a watering hole. What is it?
Did you sleep it down at the beach, Tommy?
No, I'll play that one for you again.
Show us the snore.
Listen.
One more time.
It's like a farmyard animal.
One more time for that.
Okay, hang on. Let's go back. It's
What time of the morning was this at?
This was me 2:44.
Okay.
It's just like a pig or something.
Here's me 6:08. Hang on.
That's a quality one.
It's quite nice, actually, isn't it?
Jesus.
That's not too bad.
It's quite comforting.
It seems
and this
very...
is me 6:08.
That's a deep sleep at 6:08, isn't it? Jesus.
I thought there was one where you
what's the point of
sounded
recording
like you were
them?
crying.
Oh, that was from the previous night. Hang on, I'll get that one.
What's the point of recording all these?
There has to be worse ones. They were very silent.
They were mellow, were they?
They were like
Okay, hang on.
farmyard animals.
Bastard. Listen. It's all very...
You were
The best one of the lot. Gold, give us more of that. What time of the morning was that at?
Oh, fuck. Like an elephant.
Okay, the question.
Hang on.
It's like a fucking exhaust of a fucking Ford Escort.
I think it's quite a...
What about the little...
That was the release valve.
Hang on, here we go.
It's like a woodpecker in the beginning.
You frightened the bloody birds outside.
It's like something out of the Amazon or something. Tommy,
Yeah.
is there somebody beside you?
How do you mean?
As in, we all need to answer this question. How, in the name of God, how could you put up with that?
I would
How would you put up with that if you're in the bed beside you?
Oh, for fuck. You need help.
How the fuck does Yvonne put up with
You
that?
need someone to look after
It's
you.
very hard for her, yeah.
Jesus
To
Christ.
seek medical attention for that.
So the thing I've realised is I don't get a lot of deep sleep.
Sounded deep enough to me there.